Yeah, of course I got her number. What the? What, you're not gonna say anything? Take that for getting in my way.
Stop, he can't really talk.
Oh, you can't talk? Well, your mom is so slow it took her 9 months to make a joke.
Good one.
Stop, he doesn't have parents.
Shut up,
Ah!
loser.
Don't come to school tomorrow.
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
Yeah, I cheated on her. Ah, you again. I guess you want another knuckle sandwich. What are you doing?
Oh, great heavens!